Okay, so we have Stacia here. What are you coming in for?
I just have a ton of pain in my shoulder, kind of like stinging, burning. Can't really like lift my arm, do much with my kids without lifting.
Gotcha. How long has this been going on?
Like 6 months.
Okay. So what we're gonna do, we'll have you turn and face that way. We're gonna put her on the new GVL Laser by Erchonia here. And we're actually just gonna do kind of, since it's at this transition between her neck and shoulder, we're just gonna do a neck setting here. Right in here. We're just gonna press start. It's gonna go there. We're just gonna let it sit there. And we'll come back and see how she feels. Alrighty, just got done with that. How do you feel?
Feeling pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, there's not any pain. That's amazing.
That's insane. Okay, we're gonna have, because you were saying you were lifting some pain, so we're gonna have you lift some dumbbells.
That's crazy.
And that used to always give you pain, right?
Yeah.
Mom, you wanna see mine?
Incredible.
You wanna see